are these two celebrity financial gurus? We asked people on the beach. You'll be surprised at their answers. Woo! Hey everybody, we're John and Tara Thorman. We are your money coaches for self-employed, the entrepreneurs, business owners, and everybody who wants to be one. So let's go ask some people some questions about personal finance and see what we can learn.
All right.
What's going on?
Holy cow.
Yes.
Threw money in Amazon a few years ago.
What's happening? We got two financial celebrities, two financial gurus here.
Right.
And I want to know if you know who either of them are.
I don't know. That guy looked familiar. I don't know who either of those guys are.
The guy on the right looks familiar?
Yeah, I don't know his name though.
The guy on the right is Ramit Sethi, and he wrote a book called I Will Teach You to Be Rich.
Gotcha.
And then the grandpa there on the left,
Right.
that's Dave Ramsey. Have
Okay.
you heard of his name before?
Dave Ramsey. No, I haven't.
You haven't? Okay.
No.
Where do you go to get financial advice from?
Man, I'm 25 to be honest. I don't.
So you haven't gone nowhere yet?
Nah.
But you'll need to at some point, right?
Of course, yeah.
Oh, no, then you can check us out, Financial Success Coach.
Okay.
Do you think tax rates are going to be higher or lower in the future?
Higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy cow. I don't know either of them. Do you?
Neither, huh? I have to guess they're CEOs.
You got more than two? I wish you would have
Rotate
brought
through a
somebody
bunch
more
of-
identifiable.
I don't have any idea. I have no idea.
All right. It's for both.
He's not the CEO of Walmart, just out of curiosity.
No, that is Dave Ramsey.
Okay, and
then
who's that?
That other guy here, that's Ramit Sethi.
I get the tears coming down our eyes.
When I get
Would
home,
we have won a prize if we got them both?
Where do you go to get financial advice?
I go to my accountant.
Your accountant?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you got a fun story for us? Maybe what was your best financial decision you ever made?
Best financial decision ever made was to get out of suntan lotion and to get into industrial chemicals. We used to put suntan lotion on people all over the whole beach here years ago.
Okay. Do you believe that your income tax rates are going to be higher or lower in the future?
Higher.
Here we are enjoying the day at the beach, right?
Yes.
All right, so we got two financial celebrities here.
Right? Yep.
Do you recognize either of these two people?
Dave Ramsey for sure.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Dave, you nailed it. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're the first one today that got that one.
Really listen to a lot of his information, but I'm not sure who the other guy is.
What about you?
Don't know.
Now,
Don't know who the
on
other
either
guy
one?
is. Huh?
On either one you don't know, or did you know Dave?
No, I didn't know Dave. She did.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I married
So
her.
0 and 1.
That's right. She's a lot smarter than me.
Oh,
Yeah.
good move. That's wisdom. Where do you guys go to get financial advice?
Do a lot of internet research. I don't have any personal financial advisors that we speak to, but just try to research as much as we can before we make decisions on anything.
Are you handling the money?
I feel like we balance it out pretty good together.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. What would you say is your best financial decision you ever made?
I feel like the investments we've made into real estate have been the best decisions and been able to sometimes triple our profits and really create some revenue.
Yeah.
Wow, that's fantastic. For rentals or for fix and flip, or how do you do it?
Basically fix and flip.
Yeah.
Fix and flip?
Yep. We've done a handful of those, and it's worked out great for us.
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
Do you learn how to do stuff on YouTube?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
We were actually
YouTube
talking about
University.
that earlier. YouTube University has taught us a lot.
You know what? My brother is a YouTube celebrity. His channel is called Home Renovision DIY. He's got like 3 million subscribers.
Well, we'll have to
Awesome,
go check
watch
it
it.
out.
And I'm like, my brother could do that.
Yeah.
We got to be able to do something, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, cool. We got two financial gurus here. The one on the left and the one on the right. Do either of you know either of these guys?
I don't.
No.
You don't? So let me ask you then, where do you guys get your financial advice from?
It's us.
Just us? Okay. All right. Do you watch any shows or podcasts or read books or anything?
I watch YouTube a little bit.
Do you?
Yeah,
All right. Well, you have to
YouTube.
check us out.
Yeah, I need
Financial
to.
Success Coach.
Hell yeah.
Cool. What's the best financial decision you ever made?
I put money in the stock market.
You did.
Mhm.
Very good. Was that in?
I threw money in Amazon a few years ago.
Did you? And that's the best move you made?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Fantastic. Now, do you have something at work as well, like a 401k or anything?
Uh-huh.
And you do that too?
Yeah,
Good for you. Well, congratulations.
appreciate it.
All right. Do you think that your taxes are going to be higher or lower in the future when you retire?
Sadly higher.
Sadly higher.